What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with your boy LJ. I appreciate y'all for stopping back in. Now, as you can tell by the title, this is my first official update from my Robinhood portfolio. If you haven't seen the first video, I advise you to check that one out before this one, because I have some very exciting news in this one, and I advise you to go watch the first one just so you can see like the progress we've made and how far we've come. So within just a month. So let's hop right into it. As you guys can see, I'm gonna start off with the good stuff and show you basically what's going on. So a live look, I am down about $4 right now, and from one day ago I am currently up 0.6%, up about $85. For the week, I am up a little over 3.5%, and I'm up about $460, so that is good, y'all. And for the month, I am up almost 12%, and I'm up about almost $1,400. So it is looking good right now, you guys. The market is looking all right. So for the 3-month mark, I am up about 15.4%, and I am up $1,700. And then year to date, I am up 20%, and I am up $2,000, y'all. So I am up quite a bit this year, which is very, very good. And then for the past year, I am up about 9.6% for $1,100. And then all time, I am up almost 8% for about $900 and almost $50. So if you didn't watch the last video before I made this Robinhood update, I advise you to go check that one out, because I think I was down about almost $400 all time in that video from literally just a month ago. So to be up almost $1,000 after being down like $400 all time, it's pretty great if you ask me. So without further ado, I'm going to show you guys I do have about $2,200 in buying power. So yeah, I will be looking to, add more to my position. But let's hop straight into the good stuff. First and foremost, I will be starting off with my stocks. So we're going to dive right into Amazon. I do have 3 shares of Amazon, and I am currently up 9% for about $28. So that is good. I do look forward to adding more Amazon shares. I think I'm just going to wait until Amazon pulls back a little bit. So yeah, I am. That's pretty good right now. And then we're going to dive into Nvidia. Now, Nvidia, I did have more shares, but I just recently sold and locked in a profit. So I have about a half share of Nvidia right now, and I'm up about 18.5% on that. So, I mean, big tech companies have basically been running this year extremely well. So I'm looking for big tech companies to pull back a little bit, and then I'll hop back in and get more Nvidia shares. So, but I just want to lock in, a profit while I could. So I do expect that to pull back just a little bit. And then next we got Microsoft. I am up about 16% on that for about $207. I got a little over 5 shares, so I will be adding more to this position as well. I'm just looking for it to pull back, because like I said, the big tech companies have been running extremely well this year. So I'm just waiting on a pullback to add more to my positions. And then next on the list we have Google. Google has been doing extremely well lately. So yeah, I have my average cost is about $109. I am up just a little bit. I think the last video I was down, I don't remember how much I was down, but I am in the profit a month later on Google, so that is good. Yeah, but I have about 9 shares, and I'm up a 0.5% for about $5. So a profit is a profit. And then on to Apple. Now I do have 10 shares of Apple, and I am up just a little over 6% for about $100. So that is good as well. Like I said, I am going to be adding to my positions as the year go on, but I'm looking for a little pullback in the market because I think the market has been running pretty well lately, and obviously I believe there's a recession still to come. So I'm just basically staying patient and waiting for the market to pull back so I can take my opportunities. Now for the first stock of the day, I believe it's Tesla, where I am down. So I do have almost 6.5 shares of Tesla, and I am down almost 7% in that, and my average cost is $198. So I am down. My only stock I am down in is Tesla at the moment. I'm basically waiting for Tesla to go back up so I can take profits and then eventually get back in at a lower cost. So that's what it's looking like at the moment. And then last but not least, I'll show you guys my crypto and what I have invested in this. So we'll start off with ADA. ADA has been running extremely well. Just look over the past month, it's shot up. So ADA, aka Cardano, has been running extremely well. I was down, but I am currently up almost 4% for $52 in my ADA position, so that's good. The last video on my Robinhood portfolio, I was down, so that is good. I believe ADA will continue to run, so I'm going to continue to hold. And then we have ETH. I have just a little bit over 1 share of ETH, and I am currently up 34% on that for about $540. So this is one of my biggest earnings currently at the moment. I don't know if ETH will pull back to 1,500 and be able to, buy some more there. I'm basically just gonna hold this where it's at, and if ETH pulls back, I will get back in. I will buy some more, but at the moment it's been running extremely well, and I don't know if it'll get back to that point. So, but if it does, I do plan on buying more. But as of right now, I'm just gonna hold what I got and just ride a wave. And then Matic. I don't have much of Matic, just like as in the last video, I didn't have much of Matic. I'm still looking for Matic to pull back down to the range where I bought it to get back in. Buy a little bit more, but right now I am up about 13% for about $26, so that is good. But yeah, like I said, I do plan on buying more Matic, but I'm just looking for that pullback in the crypto market for me to get back in and feel safe. And then last but not least, I do have SHIB, and this is, I believe, the only crypto that I am down in currently at the moment. And I have 100 million SHIB. Like I said before in the last Robinhood video, this is a risky play. Now obviously I don't plan on adding any more to this position. I'm basically keeping what I got, and hopefully it goes up. Could go either way. I'm just gonna ride the wave and lock in. Once it goes up, I'll eventually lock in some profit. But yeah, this is basically just a risky play for me, but I'm willing to live with that risk. And then that is pretty much it what I have right now. But I do have a Webull brokerage, and I am building that. I'm building my ETFs in that position. So in that brokerage. So if you are interested in looking at that kind of video of what kind of ETFs I have in there, please please consider subscribing. If you have any more suggestions on videos or questions, please comment down below, and I'm gone.